Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Enphase Energy, a leader in microinverter-based solar and battery systems. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Enphase Energy has just released their third quarter results for 2024, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Enphase Energy reported a quarterly revenue of $380.9 million for Q3 2024. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Enphase's revenue increased significantly from $303.5 million in Q2 2024, although it's down from $551.1 million in Q3 2023. The growth from the previous quarter is largely due to increased shipments to distributors in the U.S. as inventory levels normalized.
And what about profitability?
The company reported a non-GAAP gross margin of 48.1%, up from 47.1% in the previous quarter. Their GAAP net income was $45.8 million, translating to a non-EPS of 65 cents. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Enphase has shown impressive cash flow improvements. Can you elaborate on their operational efficiencies?
Absolutely. Enphase generated $161.6 million in free cash flow this quarter, ending with $1.77 billion in cash and marketable securities. This strong cash position allows them to invest in new technologies and expand their product offerings.
Speaking of new products, what can we expect in the near future?
Enphase is gearing up for several launches, including AI-based software to optimize energy use and the IQ Battery 5P. Their Q4 revenue guidance is between $360 million and $400 million, reflecting continued growth and innovation.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. Enphase is expanding its market reach. How are they performing globally?
Enphase shipped over 1.7 million microinverters and 172.9 megawatt-hours of IQ batteries this quarter. They've expanded their installer network to over 9,000 globally and are entering new markets like Europe, Australia, and India with their latest products.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on?
They're focusing on increasing domestic content in their products and supporting grid services programs in the U.S. This aligns with their strategy to enhance product offerings and tap into new revenue streams.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, what challenges does Enphase face?
One significant challenge is the 15% decline in European revenue due to softening demand. Additionally, their non-GAAP gross margin, excluding the IRA benefit, is 38.9%, which is a decrease from the previous quarter. They also have a high debt level of $1.2 billion, which could pose risks if not managed properly.
How about competitive pressures?
Enphase operates in a highly competitive market, and maintaining their leadership position requires continuous innovation and strategic investments. They need to keep an eye on emerging competitors and market dynamics.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Enphase Energy has shown strong quarterly growth with a 25% increase in revenue from the previous quarter. Their robust cash position and upcoming product launches position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Enphase is on a solid path with their strategic initiatives and market expansion. However, they must address the challenges in Europe and manage their debt effectively. Overall, they present a promising investment opportunity with their innovative approach.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Enphase Energy's performance in the comments below.